Here's another question about carbon decay. Artifact discovered it has 62% that it originally had. So it's going to start at 100 and it'll go down to 62. What is the approximate age of the artifact? Okay, so P of T equals P0 to the KT. So it started at 100 and wound up at 62. E to the K, they give us K here. But now, the one thing you have to be careful with this point is that if it's decaying, it means it's going down. So the K has to be negative. So it'll be negative 0 point, and this is a percent, so I need to change that to a decimal. So I need to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So I think I need to add 2 zeros right there. So this would be my K value with a negative. Negative 0.00012 times T. There we go, solve for T. Divide both sides by 100, so it'll be 0.62 is equal to E to the negative 0.00012 times T. Change the log form. Log base E of 0.62 is equal to negative 0.00012 T. Divide both sides by that, so it'd be ln of 0.62 divided by negative 0.00012 equals T. All right, let's pull out decimals, see what decimals says. Okay, oops, I can't see it. There. Ln, where's my ln button? Ln of 0.62 bracket divided by negative 0.00 0.0012. There we go. So time is 39, probably 84. So the time is equal to 3,984 years old. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one. It's nice to get lots of those types of questions, or look at lots of those types of questions, because sometimes you have to find K, but sometimes they give you K. You have to be careful with the sign for your K value. So if it's decreasing, K is negative. If it's increasing, it'd be positive. Okay, hopefully that helps you.